Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert and format shapes in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Sometimes we don't find a shape that we want to insert from the built-in or default shapes. So to overcome this, we can add multiple default shapes to make a drawing or a more complex shape. Open Excel 2007, come to Insert menu, click on the arrow below Shapes in Illustration Group. We will get various shape categories such as lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, and callouts. On the top, it is showing the recently used shapes. We can insert these default shapes, select a shape, click anywhere in the document, and then drag to place the shape. Similarly, I want to create few more shapes. If you want to add same shape multiple times, right click on a shape and select to lock drawing mode. Now click anywhere in the document and drag to place the shapes. Repeat this to create multiple shapes. After adding all the shapes that we want, press escape from your keyboard to come out from this mode. And if you want to create a perfect square or circle, press and hold shift while dragging. And after this, if you want to resize the shapes, click on the shape and then drag its sizing handles in the corner to increase both height and width. And if you want to increase only height and width, bring the cursor to the center and drag the handles. And if you want to move the shape over the cursor on the shape, we will get four-sided arrow. Click and drag by pressing left mouse button. And if you want to rotate the shape, bring the cursor to the green circle and by pressing left mouse button, rotate the mouse. And after this, if you want to add text into the shapes, click the shape and start typing. The text that we add becomes part of the shape. If we move, rotate and flip the shape, text will also be affected. And if you want to add bulleted or number list to a shape, select the text. In the shape, we will get mini toolbar. Click the arrow next to bullets and numbering and select bullets and numbering option. Go to specific tabs to add either bullets or numbering. After this, if you want to draw lines, arrow-headed lines and so on, come to lines option, select a line. And if you want to connect the shapes, come to Insert menu, click on Shapes, select the elbow arrow connector. By using this on the first shape, point to where we want to attach the connector. Click the first connection site by holding left mouse button and point to the other shape. And then click the second connection site, which appears as red circles as we move the pointer over a shape. And if you want to draw a line without connection points, come to Insert menu, click on Shapes. Under lines, please select Freeform. Click anywhere in the document. Move the pointer to a different location and then click again. When we are finished drawing the line, double click and we will get the freeform shape. And after this, if you want to draw a shape that look like it was drawn with a pen by hand, come to Insert menu, click on Shapes. Under lines, please select Scribble and draw in the spreadsheet. And after this, when we select a shape, it will generate format option in drawing tools. By using these options, we can format the shapes as we wish. Come to Insert Shapes, click on More. Again, we will get various shapes to insert them into the spreadsheet. And after that, click on the arrow next to Edit Shape. We can change this shape with some other shapes showing here. And after this, if you want to convert a shape into freeform so that we can change its shape to any form using edit points, again come to Edit Shape, select to convert to freeform, and again come to Edit Shape, select Edit Points. Then we will get points in each corner. Pull the points to change its shape. And also we can insert text box. After this, come to Quick Shape Styles. Click on More. We will get various shape styles. over the cursor on each style and it will show the preview. And we can also customize quick shape styles. Come to shape fill, where we can fill the selected shape with a solid color, gradient, picture or texture. Over the cursor on theme colors and standard colors, we will get the preview. And after that, come to gradient. Here we can apply gradient as fill color. If you want to get more gradients, click on more gradients option. Select gradient fill. Come to preset colors. Select a gradient color and also modify the type and direction. And after that, come to picture or texture fill. Click on arrow next to texture. We will get various textures. We can apply all these textures. And if you want to fill the shape with a picture, click on file, browse the picture, click on insert, and the picture will be inserted into the shape. After this, we can specify color, width and line style for the outline of the selected shape. Over the cursor on theme colors and standard colors, we will get the preview. And after this, come to weight. We can modify outline weight. And also we can modify the line style. And after this, if you want to apply a visual effect to the selected shapes, click on arrow next to shape effects. Here we can apply preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel and 3D rotation shape effects to our shapes. And we can also apply visual style for text. Select the text, come to word art styles, click on more. Over the cursor on various word art styles, and we can check the preview. Similarly, we can apply text fill with a solid color, gradient, picture or texture, and we can modify the outlines, color, width and line style and add the text effects. And after this, here I have created a shape using multiple shapes. Select a shape, come to format option. In this, come to arrange. We can change its order and visibility using bring to front and send to back options. First, select selection pane, which shows the object and its order of creation. And if you want to modify the shape's order, click on bring to front. Here we will get two options, bring to front and bring forward. I'm selecting bring to front. Then the selected object forward to the front of all the objects. After that, come to send to back. We can directly send this object to back. Otherwise, if you want to send the object step by step, select to send backward. And after this, come to align option. And here, if you want to turn off the grid lines, click on view grid lines. Again, to view the grid lines, come to align, select to view grid lines. And after this, if you want to group multiple objects into one group, select to all the objects. Click on arrow next to group and select group option. Then it will be converted into single object. Similarly, I want to group this. And after this, if you want to rotate the objects, click the arrow next to rotate, select to rotate right 90 degrees, rotate left 90 degrees, flip vertical, flip horizontal. And if you want to rotate the objects in different angle other than 90 degrees, select to more rotation option, come to rotation and enter the angle by pressing up and down arrows. Otherwise, directly enter the angle, click on close. And after this, if you want to increase the height and width of the object, use up and down arrows. Like this, we can insert and format shapes in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.